In this video, I'm going to talk about the local pref attribute. I've got some notes here. Local pref is an AS-wide attribute that at the highest level of the BGP decision process. It's considered just after the weight parameter, which is Cisco proprietary and local to the router. It is considered before the AS path length. Because the local pref attribute is carried inside the AS, I will show you this later. ITF, this router here, will pass the local preference value to ITA. And I've got the configurations here to configure ITF to have higher local preference for BGP updates originating from RTD. That's RTD over right there. So just delete that. Let's go ahead and check ITF. Check the BGP table on ITF. So as you can see, this route here, ITF is using this link because it's just one AS path away from AS3, and this route here ITF is using this next hop because this route here is just one AS path away from AS3, right? So we're gonna actually configure ITF to have a higher local preference for BGP updates originating from RTD. So meaning that we're gonna set the local preference higher than the routes that's coming from this link here, and the default local preference is 100. So as you can see here, the local preference value is 100. So this link here, right? So let's go ahead and do our configuration. So let me just explain this configuration here. So we are just creating a route map named set local and permit 10. This is a sequence number, and there's no match statement, meaning that we are matching everything. Set local preference. This is how you set the local preference, and we apply the route map to the neighbor. This is the ITD IP address, and because we are trying to influence the outbound traffic. So when we are done with our configuration, ITF is gonna actually choose this route here to get to this route here. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our changes. Just gonna copy and paste this config. And I'm gonna do a clear IPBGP, clear all the sessions with all the peers. and give it some time. So as you can see here, there's no prefixes that RTD is advertising to RTF, so 0. But RTA is advertising 6 prefixes here. This is RTA and this is RTD. The reason why, because we just reset the BGP peering with all the neighbors. So let's check again. So now you can see that the next hop to get to this route is this link. This next hop. This is RTD IP address here. But before it was RTA IP address. This IP here. So we have successfully manipulated the local preference to influence the outbound traffic. And also, because local preference attribute is carried inside the ES, RTF will pass the local preference value to RTA. So let's check RTF. It's using this link here to get to this route and this route. So let's verify that. Show IP BGP. Okay, so as you can see, RTA is using this next hop. This is RTF IP address to get to this route, and same IP address or next hop to get to this route. This is the route over here in this AS. So meaning that we have successfully carried the AS, the local preference has been successfully carried inside the AS, not just on RTF. So yeah, that's all I have for the local preference attribute. Thanks for watching.